Programming your key fob for a 2006 Chevy Tahoe is straightforward. First, ensure all doors are closed and unlocked. Next, insert your key into the ignition, but don't start the engine. Turn the ignition to the on position for accessory power, but don't crank the engine. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock automatically, indicating you've entered Learn mode. Release the buttons, then press the lock button alone to program it. Repeat for unlock and panic buttons if needed. For additional fobs, repeat these button presses within 30 seconds. Finally, turn the ignition off to exit Learn mode. That's it. You've programmed your key fob. Having trouble programming your key fob? Ensure you're using a fresh CR2032 battery in your fob. Avoid programming near strong RF sources like Wi-Fi routers, as interference can cause failures. If your Tahoe has a factory alarm, disarm it first. Precision is key. Timing deviations can reset the module. If you continue to have issues, an OBD2 scanner can help diagnose problems with the Tahoe's receiver. Universal key fobs from brands like AutoKey are also an option and often come pre-programmed. Remember, aging batteries and corroded contacts are common issues for these older fobs. If DIY fails, a certified mechanic or dealer can assist, but it's often more expensive. By 2030, app-based controls may become more common, but for now, this method is your best DIY solution.